Hey crew, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be a video how to jazz up Blue Runner red beans. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And let's go over the ingredients. We have yellow and orange and red bell pepper, 4 cans of Blue Runner red beans, 1 stick of margarine, 1 yellow onion, and country pleasing smoked sausages. Okay, crew, let's get started on our jazzed up Blue Runner red beans and rice. So I added 1 stick of margarine and I allowed that to melt. Then I went in with a half of yellow onion and probably around 3/4 cups of the yellow, red, and orange bell pepper, and I allowed that to saute down. Then once I sauteed that, I added in our smoked sausage and cook those down before adding the Blue Runner red beans. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up the video and comment in the section below. And I'm gonna cue some music here.
Stayed up till the morning, talking till the first light of dawn. Just like that, without no warning, it hit me so hard. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to. I done messed it up again.
I went in with some salt-free vegetable seasoning and some Old Bay seasoning.
Try to tell what you were thinking, what you might feel for me. And I know that we've been out drinking, so maybe this ain't for real. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to. I done messed it up again.
I went in with 4 cans of the original Blue Runner red beans, and I added 1/3 cup of water to loosen the beans up.
For you, and what I would do, but you
Okay, crew, once I combined everything up, I allowed it to simmer on medium low heat, and I added some gumbo filet, and I stirred everything up to make sure everything was mixed well, and I continued to allow it to simmer on medium low heat. Alright, crew, here's the red beans. We're gonna call these jazzed up red beans. And we have our rice right here. And we have our cornbread. I'm gonna fix a plate. And then we're gonna close out this video. Look at the red beans. And baby cornbread. Ooh-wee!
Don't say it tastes like cake. Don't say it.
It tastes like apple pie. But I'll be right back. Here's our bowl of red beans and rice. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all. And y'all already know the saying, pops out. Peace.